Hi everyone, what are your website's essential pages? That's the question for today's video. My name's Kevin from the online visibility agency at 99quidwebsites.co.uk. And today we're going to talk about what are the essential pages you need on your website. Now, here's the thing. There are certain things that you need from a legal perspective. There's certain things that you need from a it just makes sense perspective. And then there's nice to haves as you build and grow your website. So let's look at the first two for you. Obviously, you need a home page. This is your URL, sometimes /home, sometimes not, but it's the main landing page of your site. It's the one that navigates everything around to everywhere else. So it's absolutely crucial. Your home page is there and it's set as such, and it's got the right information for the objective of the website. Now, of course, we do need a privacy policy. We've talked about this in a previous video. We have GDPR regulations now, and even if you don't hold data or anything like that, you still need a privacy policy page. Website search engines will sort for these, and they will downgrade you, if you like, if you don't have one. What else do you need? I'd say a contact page is pretty essential. You need somewhere where people can either make an inquiry, find your phone number easily. People looked for a contact page. So a home page, a contact page, a privacy page, and of course, something that denotes what your services is. So maybe a service page, as in these are the services that I offer. Now, if you don't have those, you're going to struggle a little bit. So there's four there really that I would say are quite critical. What's sort of hot on the heels of those ones? You're looking at things like terms and conditions page. That's quite essential. An about page is really good to have because that can actually be used in quite a powerful way. It's not essential, but it's more likely that it's going to do its job as a website if you've got that on there and people want to get to know you. There are other pages, of course, that you can add in, and you can put in more detailed services pages. You can put blogs in. There's multiple things that you can do, opt-in pages, all these sorts of wonderful things. And they're extras to make the site stronger. But the critical things are the home, the privacy policy, the contact page, and the services page will be what I say is critical for your website. Thanks for watching. Hope that's been helpful. If you need to get hold of me, you know what to do. Just send me a message or contact me via 99quidwebsites.co.uk. Have a great day. See you in the next video.